Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to fix Tinder can't delete account. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to delete your Tinder account here, but you're having some problems with deleting it, well, there are a few things that you may need to do here and you need to understand. Now, typically, in order for you to delete your Tinder account, you need to first access your profile and you want to go and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. But once you do click on it, typically what you need to do is you want to go to the very bottom and you should see the delete account section. Now, once you click on delete account, you'll be able to see the pause my account or delete my account option. Now, if you click on delete my account, typically it will give you the option to start deleting or complete your account deletion. But in some cases, you may get some issues and you may get some pop-ups here that it doesn't allow you to delete your account. So if that's the case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that you've disabled or canceled your subscription first. So in this case, you want to go and exit the Tinder app here. And you want to open up Google Play Store or the App Store here, depends on what you are using, and you want to access your subscriptions. Now, typically at the top right, you want to go and click on your profile icon, and you want to go and choose the option here that says Payments and Subscriptions. Go to Subscriptions, and you want to go and look for Tinder here, and you want to go and just cancel your current subscription for that. So once you do cancel that, you want to go ahead and fully close Tinder, open it up again, and try deleting it again and see if that actually helps you. Now, if that doesn't help you, well, the final and last thing that you can try doing here is you may need to contact support. In some cases, there might be some issues with the delete account option here, so that's why helping or getting assistance from them or directly from their support team is something really important here. So what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down up a bit here. You want to look for the contact us page, click on help and support. And inside the help and support section, you want to go ahead and click on the search option here and just type in the following. It's going to be refund and just search for it. Now look for the very first option here that says refund request. So that's the first article. And in here, you want to scroll down a bit here and look for the contact us section. Click or press the contact us. Now, once you click or press on contact us, this is what you should be seeing. Now, in here, you'll be asked a few questions. So you want to click on the how can we help section, and you want to go and choose either one of the options. Now, you could either choose trouble with account login, or you can go and choose the option that says a Tinder feature isn't working. Now, once you've selected that, other options will be available to you. Now, this will automatically fill out certain details about yourself, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you scroll down a bit here, you'll be able to answer a few things. Now, also, just make sure that your phone number and your email address are correct here. So just in case they need to reach out to you outside the app. But yeah, in here you have the feature. Which feature is this about? So what's feature we are having issues with? Now, in this case, you want to go and scroll down a bit here. Look for the option that says other. Now, inside other here, you'll have the option to describe a few things. Now, if you do have a Tinder subscription, you can go and just enable that, or had, or if you have you have this active as of this moment, you can go and just enable I have Tinder subscription. And in the description, you want to go ahead and just basically describe that you are having issues deleting your account and it's not working, and you want to go and just describe what pop-up you are getting. Now, are you getting like certain error messages or certain error codes? So you want to also include that. Now, if you have any screenshots, you could also like attach a file of it in here as well. But once you fill out all the information, you go and click on the submit button, and typically that would basically submit your request. Now, typically once you do submit your request in here, they will reach out to you via email, and from then on, you just need to interact with them, and they'll be able to help you with deleting your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.